So today we are discussing on examinations. बुझेला written by Winston S. Churchill. बुझेला. So before going to the topic, it is important to know more about the author. Sir Winston S. Churchill is the writer who was born in the year 1874 and died in the year 1965. Was the Prime Minister of England twice. He was the Prime Minister for twice. इंग्लैंड रो प्राइम मिनिस्टर रही दुई थर सी फ्रॉम 1940 to 1945 once and later on he was the prime minister from 1951 to 55 and he was a leading character in England history. A noted statesman and orator, Churchill was also an officer in the British Army. At first he was an officer there in the British Army. He was a historian, a writer and an artist. बुझेला एकाधार से जड़े थे राइटर जड़े ऐतिहासिक जड़े ब्रिटिश आर्मी एंड बिकेम अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंग्लैंड. ही वाज awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1953. 1953 मसीह से लिटरेचर कला और साहित्य से पाई नोबेल पुरस्कार एंड वी नो व्हाई दैट नोबेल पुरस्कार और नोबेल प्राइज इज रिवॉर्डेड. नोबेल पुरस्कार पृथ्वी गोटे बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण पुरस्कार, बहुत बड़ पुरस्कार एंड द पर्सन विंस्टन एस चर्चिल हु इज द राइटर ही हैज गॉट दैट रिवॉर्ड. बुझेला एंड फॉर हिज अचीवमेंट एंड फॉर हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द लिटरेचर. बुझेला एंड एट हैरो इज एन एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम चैप्टर 2 हैरो of Winston S. Churchill's autobiography, A Roving Commission, My Yearly Life, which was published in the year 1930. 1930 मसीह प्रकाश पाई बायोग्राफी ए रोविंग कमिशन माय ईयरली लाइफ. बुझेला एंड फ्रॉम दैट ऑटोबायोग्राफी द चैप्टर इज कलेक्टेड. बुझेला एंड द चैप्टर इज नोन एज एट हैरो एंड आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस दैट हैरो इज एन इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल. बुझेला एंड द राइटर हैड स्टडीड देयर. बुझेला एंड द एट हैरो जो एट हैरो स्कूल अच्छी इट इज अ चैप्टर and on examination it is a chapter from at Harrow and that at Harrow was collected from his autobiography named A Roving Commission My Yearly Life which was published in the year 1930. 1930 मसीह तांकर ऑटोबायोग्राफी प्रकाशित होइतिला. सेठी गोटे चैप्टर थिला हेरो आ हेरो रो एक्सपीरियंस ऑन एग्जामिनेशन गोटे चैप्टर अछि सेटा से एठी वर्णना करछन्ती फॉर द रीडर्स. बुझिला. सो बेसिकली or especially the writer had shared his experience among the readers that how the writer had faced different examinations in his life. बुझेला and how it meant to him तांकर पई कोन मायने रखिथिला that we will come to know throughout the discussion. So examination for many are not a pleasant experience. As I told you that you have appeared an examination and after being appeared there and after coming out from the examination hall it is shown on your face actually whether you have done well or not. प्रकृतर भल करिचो कि ना एक्सपीरियंस टा कोठो जणा पड़े तुमर फेस एक्सप्रेशन रो एंड सम हैज प्लेजेंट एक्सपीरियंस और आमे कोई परिवा सम फील्स हैप्पी that they have done well in the examination and some feels what disappointed because they have not done well in the examination. बुझेला. So exam is something like that. If you do well in the examination you will be promoted to another class and you will be selected in different jobs. बुझेला. And suppose you are going to take admission in different colleges and schools you will have to face entrance. So there was a school named Harrow at where the person Mr. Winston S. Churchill had studied जोठी से पढ़ी थिले. And here we are going to know that the experience of the writer that how did he face different examinations and what were those experiences. Bujela and how it helped him to become a prime minister of England. Bujela. I had scarcely passed my 12th birthday when I entered the inhospitable regions of examination. Bujela. Just say scarcely, the meaning of scarcely is we can say just ei matre. Eighty, the meaning of that scarcely अर्थ हूँ कौन यही मात्रे जस्ट जस्ट ही वाज गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट हिज 12th बर्थडे. हाँ 12 वर्ष अतिक्रम होती व्हेन the writer entered the inhospitable regions of examination. 12 वर्ष गला परे he was going to face an entrance examination. For the first time he was going to face an examination. I entered the inhospitable regions of examination, through which for the next 7 years I was destined to journey. माने he had just completed his primary education and he was going to take admission in different school to complete his further education and further study, and it was going to take 7 years, and for that 7 years he was going to face an examination. बुझेला? And for the first time he was going to be introduced kind of examination which he had never faced. जो जिनसे से केवे फेस करनथले से जाउतले प्रथम थर में फेस करिवा पई, and for the next 7 years जो स्कूल से पढ़िवे for 7 years he was going to study सेठी पढ़िवा पई जाउतले, and for that to take admission he had to face an examination. बुझेला? एभला गोटे अप्रीतिकर परिस्थिति से पड़ी जाइछन्ती, प्रथम थर पई जाउछन्ती फेस करिवा पे एंट्रेंस when he just passed his 12th birthday. बुझेला? 12 वर्ष अतिक्रम कर जाइछे आ नेक्स्ट 7 इयर्स जो पाठ पढ़िवे ता पई से एंट्रेंस देबा पई जाउछन. These examinations were a great trial to me. तांको पई एटा गोटे विपद प्रकार परिस्थिति आमे कोइ परिबा. इट वाज क्वाइट डिफरेंट सिचुएशन फॉर द राइटर विंस्टन एस चर्चिल. बुझेला? And it was a trial for him. If he did well there, he would like to face or he would like to take or admission in the school. बुझेला? जदि से एग्जाम रे भलो करंती in the entrance examination, he would go to take admission in the school. Otherwise, if he got failed, he would not be able to go to the school or he would not be able to take admission in that school. बुझेला? So the subject which were dearest to the examiners were almost invariable, those I fancied least. The subjects which were dearest to the examiners were almost invariable. So, the subject which were dearest to the examiners were almost invariable, those I fancied least. माने which subjects were supposed to come in the examination. Actually प्रकृतर को सब्जेक्ट गुडा को आसुतला एग्जाम रे क्वेश्चन हिसाब रे which were very close to the examiners. जो माने एग्जाम करूथले जो जिनस तांकर पसंद they used to give to the students to write answer. से सब्जेक्ट रो ही क्वेश्चन आसुतला जो थरे एग्जामिनर्स माने पारंगम थिले. बुझेला? And it was too difficult task on the part of the person or on the part of the writer Winston S. Churchill to write answers on those particular questions because he didn't know much about it, and always questions came through different topics which were related or which were very dearest to the examiners. Examiners माने जहाँ चाहूँते सेटा पको पड़ते क्वेश्चन रे. बुझेला? But what was the demerit of the writer? Writer उनकर असुविधा कौन थिला? I would have liked to have been examined in history, poetry and writing essays. Those are the subjects you will have to underline. On those particular subjects the writer was very much strong. बुझेला? The writer was very strong in those particular subjects. It is mentioned here, you can look at this. कौन लिखा है इठी? That he was very strong in history, poetry and writing essays. बुझेला? ए सब विषय से अधिका पारंगम थिले. And there writing essays. The examiners on the other hand were partial to Latin and mathematics. बुझेला? But the writer was very weak in Latin and mathematics subjects. बुझेला? And Latin होची गुटे subject बोले Latin topics जेमती आमे कोई बारिबा science related. बुझेला? Latin topics माने आसुथला which was quite different from literature. Literature तारो different topics सब आसुथला जेमती history, writing essays. It was the writer was very close to those particular subjects and he was very strong on those particular stories, those particular literature part. बुझेला? But he was very weak in Latin and mathematics. पहले गणित और साइंस रे तांकर सेते दक्षता नथिला, and questions always came from those topics and those subjects were very close to the examiners. Latin, science, mathematics ए सब्जेक्ट रु सब बेले क्वेश्चन आसुतला जो थरे राइटर वीक थिले. क्वेश्चंस केबे भी आसुनतला कोठरु हिस्ट्री रु एसे रु ये रु. बुझेला कि नै? सेटा से कहउछन दैट ही वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग इन he was very strong in history, writing essays and poetry. On the other hand, he was very weak in Latin and mathematics subjects. बुझिला किंतु एग्जाम रे कोन होतला से मैथमेटिकल साइंस रु आका क्वेश्चन आसुतला एंड देयर विल प्रिवेल्ड बुझिला तापरे कोन होतला तांकर इच्छा प्रिवेल माने कोन कहै छी देखो हाँ and there will prevail, that means always who own the examiners, those who used to give questions to the students, they used to win the battle. Examination रे कार जयलाभ होतला से examiners मानकर बुझिला because most of the students were not able to write proper answer बुझिला and the person Mr. Winston S. Churchill was one of them. So moreover, the questions which they asked on both these subjects were almost invariably those two which I was unable to suggest a satisfactory answer. He was perfect on those subjects. I told you that he was very strong in poetry, writing essays and history. And other than that, what kind of questions it used to come in the examination? Latin and mathematics. Buchela? And always the person was not able to give a satisfactory answer to the examiner. को सब्जेक्ट रे लाटिन और मैथमेटिक्स रे तांकर आंसर एते संतुष्टजनक नथिला बा संतोषजनक नथिला. दैट इज व्हाट द राइटर हैज सेड हियर. विंस्टन एस चर्चिल ही इज शेयरिंग हिज एक्सपीरियंस थ्रू आउट दिस डिस्कशन. से विषय से कहउचंती आई शुड हैव लाइक टू बी आस्क्ड टू से व्हाट आई न्यू एंड व्हाट ही एक्सप्रेस्ड एंड व्हाट वाज हिज विलिंग. तांकर इच्छा कोन थिला दैट क्वेश्चन शुड कम फ्रॉम हिज सब्जेक्ट्स. तांकर सब्जेक्ट रो क्वेश्चन आसु बोली से चाहूले बट इट वाज नॉट सपोज टू कम इन द एग्जामिनेशन. आसवा आसु बोली से चाहूले किंतु आसु नथिला. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन इट केम इन द एग्जामिनेशन? Latin and mathematics. And in those subjects the writer was very much weak and he was not able to give a satisfactory answer. Se kotha se कहउछ. They always try to ask what I didn't know and what the writer expressed. तांकर चिंताधारा कोनला and what was the feeling of the writer? Always the question came what the writer didn't know. Question एठु आसला जोता से जानि पार नथिले, जोतरे से weak थिले Latin and mathematics, and there he was not able to give satisfactory answers. हला एति जिंस नेक्स्ट क्लास पढिबो.